Bitcoin, the enigmatic digital currency that burst onto the scene over a decade ago, has sparked debates that echo through the halls of finance, technology, and societal norms. Is it a relic of the past, a fleeting trend of the present, or a beacon guiding us toward the future of economic finance? To untangle this web, we must first understand the essence of Bitcoin itself. Born from the ashes of the 2008 financial crisis, it emerged as a radical response to a system that many felt had failed them. It promised decentralization, autonomy, and a break from the traditional banking system that had for so long dictated the rules of engagement in the world of finance. In its infancy, Bitcoin was viewed as a novelty, a digital curiosity for tech enthusiasts and libertarians. It was a way to transact without the oversight of banks, a means to sidestep the bureaucratic red tape that often stifles innovation. Early adopters saw it as a revolutionary tool, a way to reclaim financial sovereignty. But as the years rolled on, Bitcoin began to morph into something more complex. It became a speculative asset, a digital gold, a store of value that attracted not just the tech-savvy, but also institutional investors and hedge funds. The narrative shifted. It was no longer just about peer-to-peer transactions, but about wealth accumulation and investment strategies. This evolution raises the question, is Bitcoin merely a reflection of our past mistakes, a reminder of the fragility of our financial systems? The volatility that has characterized Bitcoin's price movements often feels like a mirror to the speculative bubbles of history. Remember the dot-com bubble? The housing market crash? Bitcoin's wild swings can evoke memories of those tumultuous times, leading some to argue that it is a manifestation of the same reckless speculation that has plagued traditional markets. Critics point to its lack of intrinsic value, its dependence on the whims of market sentiment, and its potential to exacerbate inequality. After all, the early adopters who bought in at a few cents have reaped unimaginable rewards, while those who entered the fray later may find themselves holding the bag when the next downturn hits. Yet, to dismiss Bitcoin as a mere relic of the past would be short-sighted. It has undeniably carved out a space in the present economic landscape. Major corporations are beginning to accept it as a form of payment, and countries are exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies, inspired in part by Bitcoin's underlying technology. The blockchain, the decentralized ledger that powers Bitcoin, has implications that extend far beyond currency. It promises transparency, security, and efficiency in transactions, potentially revolutionizing industries from supply chain management to healthcare. But what about the future? Is Bitcoin a stepping stone toward a new financial paradigm, or is it a cul-de-sac in the evolution of money? The future of Bitcoin is a topic of fervent speculation. Some envision a world where Bitcoin becomes a global reserve currency, a hedge against inflation, a digital alternative to gold. They argue that as trust in traditional financial institutions wanes, Bitcoin could rise to fill that void, providing a decentralized alternative that empowers individuals. Others, however, caution against such optimism. They point to regulatory hurdles, environmental concerns surrounding Bitcoin mining, and the potential for technological obsolescence. The energy consumption of Bitcoin mining has become a flashpoint in the debate, with critics highlighting its carbon footprint and questioning its sustainability. As the world grapples with climate change and the urgent need for sustainable practices, can a currency that relies on energy-intensive mining truly be the future of finance? The answer may lie in the evolution of the technology itself. Innovations like the Lightning Network aim to address scalability and transaction speed, potentially making Bitcoin more viable for everyday use. Moreover, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi platforms, has introduced a new layer of complexity to the conversation. These platforms leverage blockchain technology to create financial services that operate outside traditional banking systems. They offer lending, borrowing, and trading without intermediaries, challenging the very foundations of how we think about finance. Bitcoin, as the first and most recognized cryptocurrency, plays a pivotal role in this ecosystem, serving as a bridge between traditional finance and the burgeoning world of decentralized finance. Yet the question remains, will Bitcoin adapt and thrive in this new landscape, or will it be outpaced by more agile competitors? The emergence of thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, each with its own unique features and use cases, complicates the narrative. Ethereum, for instance, has positioned itself as a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, attracting developers and investors alike. As the crypto space continues to evolve, Bitcoin's status as the dominant player is not guaranteed. In contemplating Bitcoin's role in the future of economic finance, we must also consider the broader societal implications. The rise of cryptocurrencies has sparked conversations about financial inclusion, privacy, and the power dynamics inherent in our current financial systems. For many unbanked individuals around the world, Bitcoin represents a lifeline, a way to access financial services without the barriers imposed by traditional banks. It challenges the status quo, demanding a reevaluation of who has access to financial resources and who holds the power in our economic systems. So is Bitcoin the past, present, or future of economic finance? Perhaps it is all three, a multifaceted entity that reflects our history, shapes our current landscape, and hints at the possibilities of what lies ahead. It serves as a reminder of our past mistakes, a tool for navigating the present complexities, and a potential harbinger of a new financial order. As we stand at this crossroads, the journey of Bitcoin continues to unfold, inviting us to engage, question, and envision what the future of finance might hold.